Today, we are going to prepare restaurant-style chicken gravy. First, add 2 spoons cooking oil into frying pan. Add chopped onions and fry until golden brown. Add 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Add 1 spoon chili powder. 1 spoon fennel seeds powder. 1 spoon coriander powder. Fry in low flame for 2 minutes. Add 500-gram chicken. Fry in medium flame for 1 minute. Add chopped coriander leaves. Add mint leaves. Now close the lid and cook in medium flame for 5 minutes. Add half lemon juice. Add 1 glass water. Close the lid and cook in medium flame for 5 more minutes. Add salt to taste. Mix everything well. Add 1 cup thick curd. Add 1 spoon Garam Masala. Add 1 cup tomato paste. Add chopped coriander leaves. Close the lid and cook in medium flame for 5 more minutes. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Restaurant-style chicken gravy is ready to be served.